Not able to hear you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. السلام عليكم everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to the class and we'll do the quiz. This quiz is again the same quiz as yesterday. Yesterday we only did about 11, 12 questions. Now we want to do the same thing again and we want to be thorough in our concepts. We want to revise and be tested in the concepts that we have been learning so far. That's the intent of this quiz. So we'll start. I hope no one has connectivity issues. I do not see Anil Aunty. I seem to have lost Adnan. Sadia, can you check on Adnan quickly? 10 seconds and we'll start. We seem to have lost him on Zoom.
Who's Sakura?
Adnan, I don't see him on Zoom. Okay, he's joining.
He's joined.
Okay, let us start. First question. The pilgrims entered into the masjid. How do we translate it? Blue, dakhalu al-hujjaju fil masjidi. Red, dakhalat al-hujjaju fil masjidi. Orange, dakhala al-hujjaju fil masjidi. We got only 4 answers. We have 5 people. So it looks like one of you wasn't able to answer. We have 3 correct answers. The correct answer is dakhala al-hujjaju fil masjidi. Why is it not blue? Why is it not dakhalu al-hujjaju?
When the verb is in front, we put dakhala, Noma.
Correct. When the verb is in front, you will only put dakhala. And you can have an outside doer when the verb comes first. So you can say dakhala. What is dakhala?
He entered.
He entered. But when I say dakhala al-hujjaju, hujjaju becomes
It's plural.
correct.
Plural.
Is hujjaju. It is the plural of hajjun. Hajjun. So hajjun is one pilgrim or one person doing hajj. Al-hujjaju is people doing hajj or the hajjis. So when I say dakhala al-hujjaju takes the place of he. So it becomes, instead of he entered, the pilgrims entered. I cannot say dakhalu al-hujjaju, but I can say al-hujjaju and then I can say dakhalu. The pilgrims, they entered. So dakhalu is only used when al-hujjaju comes first. But I cannot say dakhalu al-hujjaju. I have to say dakhala. Okay, so Rahil Aunty, Zahan, Sadia got it right. Were you able to answer the question, Adnan? Looks like you did not answer the question. Are you facing issues with Zoom? Okay, I do not see Adnan again. Okay, Zahan, let us see you translate this one again. How do we say the pilgrims entered the masjid?
The same
we
one,
translate?
Chacha.
Yes, the same one.
Dakhala al-hujjaju fil masjidi.
Very good, brilliant. Dakhala al-hujjaju fil masjidi. The pilgrims entered into the masjid. Very good. Let's go next question. Where is your new house? Blue, aina baitukum al-jadidu. Red, aina baitukum al-jududu. Orange, aina baitukum al-jadidatu.
Sakit Chacha, I think so there's a sixth person.
Yes, I think there are 6 people. Okay, Anil Aunty, I think, has started the quiz. Assalamu alaikum, Anil Aunty.
Let me answer again.
Sorry, Muniba.
Please join the Kahoot because it's not letting me answer again.
It's not letting you answer. Okay, you could do one thing. Don't switch between Kahoot and Zoom. Stay on Kahoot. Have Zoom on. Use Zoom only for the audio. But for the rest, for your screen, you better have only Kahoot on. And try to be close to your Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Muniba, if you have an Android on your hand, then you can use split screen.
Use what, Zahan?
Split screen. Like
Split
half
screen,
it is, I
right.
use that sometimes.
I feel the screen becomes too small. So I think stay on Kahoot because now you get the questions also on Kahoot. So you can just stay on Kahoot and stay close to your Wi-Fi router. So the question is, where is your new house? How do we translate this, Sadia? How do we say where is your new house?
Aina Baitukumul Jadidu.
Very good. Aina Baitukumul Jadidu. Where is your new house? Zahan is first. Sadia second. Adnan is third. Rahil Aunty got this wrong. Very good, Adnan. You got this correct. And hopefully, Muniba, you are able to answer the next question. Stay on Kahoot and hopefully your connection is good. Okay, let's go next question. Question 3.
In which class do you?
In which class did you sit? Blue, fi ayya faslin jalasta. Red, fi ayyu faslin jalasta. Orange, fi ayyi faslin jalasta. They only got 5 answers again. Why is it fi ayyi faslin and not fi ayya faslin? And look at this answer quickly, Adnan. You are going to translate this for us without saying. So, in which class did you sit? Is fi ayyi faslin jalasta? Why is it fi ayyi faslin? Why is it not fi ayyu faslin? How do we translate this, Adnan? How do we say, in which class did you sit?
في أي فصل جلست؟
Very good. What is jalasta? What's the translation of jalasta?
You sit?
You sat. Jalasa is he sat. Jalasta is you sat. How do we say I sat? How do we say past tense? I sat. How do we say I believed?
Jalastuma.
Jalastu, very good. So think of the roza opening dua. So what is the dua that we say when opening the roza? What's the roza for opening the dua, Sadia? For breaking the roza? Yes, okay, Adnan. Yes. Adnan knows the dua.
اللهم لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت فتقبل مني.
Very good. So what are all the verbs in this dua? So Allahumma laka. So typically you would say Allahumma samtu wa amantu, etc. So you put the verbs first. Or in fact you will say samtu wa amantu wa tawakkaltu, etc. So you put the verbs typically first, but you say Allahumma is oh Allah. Laka samtu. So you put laka first. So in English also, if you have to say a sentence, you will typically say, oh Allah, I fast for you. Okay. And I believe in you. Okay. So this is how typically you will make a sentence. You will say, I fast and you'll put the detail. You say for you, I believe in you. But with this dua, you say Allahumma laka samtu. So which is the word? Which is the verb here, Adnan?
Lakka Santu.
Which is the verb?
Lakka.
No, laka is for you. Samtu is the verb. But here, what we do is we say samtu laka is typically how you would say. But in this dua, we say for you I fast. So when you put for you before I fast, you give a lot of importance to for you. You say, oh Allah, for you I fast. Okay. What it means is for you is given importance. It means for you only I fast. For you only I fast. And what comes after laka samtu? Amantu. Which is the verb here? So again, we do not say I believe in you, we say Bika amantu. Bika amantu. And in you I believe. So in you is given importance, it means in you only I believe. Which is the verb here, Adnan? Amantu is the verb. So when you say I fast, I believed, you put two. Two ending means I. So samtu amantu is meaning that I did this. It is past tense. So how do we say I sat? Yeah, Adnan. How do we say I sat? It becomes jalastu. Jalasta is you sat. I sat is jalastu. How do we translate this, Zahan? How do we say in which class did you sit?
في أي فصل في جلست
في أي فصل
جلست
في أي فصل جلست. جلست is you
جلست
sat. Says you sat. Okay.
Zakir Chacha, just a second, I'll connect my mouse.
Okay, quickly, Zahan. Okay, very good, Adnan. You got this answer right. Sadia seems to have gotten this wrong. Rahil Aunty also seems to have.
I wasn't
made
able
some
to
mistakes.
answer this question. Actually.
Yes, Muniba? Were you able to answer this question, Muniba?
No, Sadia, I wasn't able to answer the question.
Sadia wasn't able to answer. Okay,
So, yeah,
let's try next question. Are you ready, Zahan? We have to move to the next question. Okay, let's move. Question number 4.
Uncle, I'll just leave and join.
Okay, quickly, Muniba. Did you all go to the hospital? Blue. ذهبت إلى المستشفى اليوم. Red. ذهبوا إلى المستشفى اليوم. Orange. ذهبتم إلى المستشفى اليوم. Time is running out. How do we translate this? Did you all go to the hospital? Let's do someone who got it right. Okay, so Rahil Aunty and Anil Aunty got it right. So let's see, one of you translate this. How do we say? Did you all go to the hospital today? Hospital is Al-Mustashfa. Al-Mustashfa is the hospital.
أذهبتم
Dhahabtum is did you all go? Ila al-Mustashfa, to the hospital. Today is
اليوم no?
Al-Yawma. Very good. So why is it, what is Dhahabtum?
Tum means you all.
Very good. So it's like Assalamu alaikum. So alaikum, kum comes after Allah. It becomes the attached pronoun. But for a verb, you use tum. Dhahabtum is you all went. Dhahabtum. Dhahabtum. Is it that you all went? Or did you all go? So we use dhahabtum. Dhahabta is singular. did you go? One person is dhahabta or dhahabti. But if it is all of you went, you would say dhahabtum. So very good. Rahil aunty, Anil aunty got this correct. Adnan, Sadia, Zahan got this wrong. We'll continue. Next question. Who are these women, O Maryam? Blue, man ha'ula'ir rijalu ya Maryamu. Red, man ha'ula'il mar'atu ya Maryamu. Orange, man ha'ula'in nisa'u ya Maryamu. Very good. 4 people got it right. Who are these women, O Maryam? Is man ha'ula'in nisa'u ya Maryamu. Correct answer is orange. Okay, so it looks like only Adnan got it wrong. Sadia, Rahil aunty, Anil aunty, Zahan got it right. Next question. Man whom? Who are they? You have to answer they are teachers. How do you say they are teachers? Blue, hum mudarrisuna. Red, hum mudarrisuna. Orange, hum mudarrisatun. Blue is huwa mudarrisuna. Red is hum mudarrisuna. Okay, I think I read this wrong initially. Blue is huwa mudarrisuna. Red is hum mudarrisuna. They is hum. So answer is hum mudarrisuna. What is huwa?
Huwa is he.
Huwa is he. So he is teachers will be wrong. So when you say teachers, you have to say they. They is hum. So say hum mudarrisuna. Correct answer is red. Okay, Rahil aunty got this right. Looks like Adnan got it right. Did you get it right, Adnan?
Yes, Sahib, I got it correct.
Okay, very good. So Adnan is in top 4. Let's go. Next question. Are you able to answer now, Satya?
Little bit software. It's not. It's reloading a lot.
Okay. Let's hope it gets okay. What you could do is you could take everyone's phone and turn their Wi-Fi is off. So you use the bandwidth.
Yeah, Adnan's using so.
Yeah, only you and Adnan. So take
Yeah,
everyone uses
only
phone.
we both are using.
Your Nani's phone, take everyone's phones and turn off the Wi-Fi's. Next question. Bonus question, double points.
Uncle, even for me also it's telling you will be joining soon, even though I've joined.
Okay, let's try fixing it after this question. So let's do the question first. My friends are teachers in school. Blue, صديقاتي مدرسون في المدرسة. Red, صديقاتي مدرسين في المدرسة. Orange, أصدقائي مدرسون في المدرسة. Oh, sorry, Zahan.
Screen is lagging.
It looks like we're facing connectivity issues. So we'll just do a few more questions and we'll jump to the story.
Okay, sir, I was using Wi-Fi. Now I'm using mobile data.
My friends are teachers in school. Is أصدقائي مدرسون في المدرسة. Let's see someone translate this without saying. How do I say? My friends are teachers in school.
أصدقائي مدرسون في المدرسة.
Very good, Zahan. Again, I missed one word.
أصدقائي مدرسون في المدرسة.
Very good. Why is it not mudarrisina?
For masculine plural, it is mudarrisuna.
And what is mudarrisina?
That is for feminine, ma?
feminine is mudarrisatun or mudarrisatin.
Mudarrisuna ma nahi.
Mudarrisuna is masculine plural.
Masculine, yeah.
It is used for the normal case. It is used for the u case. Where do we use mudarrisina?
फिल है ना माँ इन क्या
Fil madrasati. So fi is for madrasa. So that's why after fi you will put madrasati.
हाँ that is what no then
Correct.
why is the answer wrong
The answer is this. So which answer are we referring to, Anil? I'll go step by step.
Tima
Red or blue?
what is this one
Okay, where do we-
Mudarasati
Every answer is madrasati. Every answer has madrasati. The difference is in the first two words. So we have sadiqati, and we have the asdiqai. So let me explain. So let us do asdiqai first. We did this yesterday. So if I open yesterday's notes, so who can recap what is sadiqati, what is asdiqai, what is sadiqatun, and what is sadiqi?
We learned this yesterday.
Correct. So how do we say my friend, one friend, masculine?
Sadiqi.
Sadiqi. So Sadiq is friend, masculine. Sadiqi is my friend, masculine. What is Sadiqati?
Feminine.
Feminine. So Sadiqatun is friend, feminine. Sadiqati is my friend, who is feminine. Now what is plural of Sadiq?
Asdiqai.
Asdiqa. So asdiqai is my friends. This is masculine or masculine plural. We will use asdiqai. And how do we say feminine friends? All feminine friends. We would say sadiqati. Sadiqatun is like muslimatun, is like salihatun, is like sayaratun. So atun is feminine plural. And it is used only feminine. So if you have only feminine and we have many, if you have not even a single masculine, you would use sadiqati. So now if you see sadiqati, which is options red and blue, you cannot say mudarrisuna, mudarrisina because these are masculine. Mudarrisuna and mudarrisina are both masculine.
Ama
What would you use with sadiqati?
Ama
With sadiqati we would use mudarrisina is masculine. We would say mudarrisatun. Sadiqati mudarrisatun.
Dr. Rahul has come back to normal.
Okay, very good, Manipa. Let's hope you are able to answer the next questions easily. Okay, so we have seen sadiqati, which is feminine friends. It will come with mudarrisatun. So sadiqat will come with mudarrisat. It will be feminine. Now, what is mudarrisina? Mudarrisina is either the detail or it is used after fi, min, and for example, if you say upon Muslims is or upon Muslims is the blessing of Allah, you would say Allah. And after Allah, you would not use Muslimuna, you will say Muslimina. So Muslimina is used for the detailed case, it's not used for the normal case. But here, there is no Allah, there's no fi, there's no an, there's no verb. So my friends are teachers in school. There's no verb. The teachers are not doing anything. For example, if I say I spoke to the teachers, I spoke is takallamtu. Takallamtu. I spoke to the teachers. I spoke with the teachers. So I say takallamtu ma'a. Now to say teachers, will I say Muslim mudarrisina or will I say mudarrisuna?
Mudarrisina.
I'll use mudarrisina. Why? Because it is after ma'a.
Ma'a.
So with the teachers, I'll say mudarrisina. Al mudarrisina. Takallamtu ma'al mudarrisina. I spoke with the teachers. Okay, so that's why we use mudarrisina. The correct answer is astiqai mudarrisuna fil madrasati. Correct answer is orange. Okay, looks like Anil aunty got it wrong or wasn't able to answer. Looks like everyone else got it correct, and maybe Muniba wasn't able to answer. Let's go next question. Question 8, bonus question again, double points. The students went to the restaurant. Blue, at-tullabu dhahabu ila al-mat'ami. Red, at-tullabu dhahaba ila al-mat'ami. Orange, at-tullabu dhahabat ila al-mat'ami. Time's running out, guys. 3 seconds left. Okay, only 2 people got it right. Whoever got it right, let us see if they remember the answer and they can say it without seeing. So Rahil aunty got it right, Anil aunty got it right. So let's see if you can give this answer. How do we say the students went to the restaurant?
Zahabu at-tullabu ilal mat'ami.
Correct. You'll either say dhahaba at-tullabu,
At-tullabu zahabu.
or if you put at-tullabu first, you'll have to say dhahabu. So if you put at-tullabu first, you'll say dhahabu. The students, they went to the restaurant. So it's either dhahabat tullabu or at-tullabu dhahabu. Ilal mat'ami. Ilal mat'ami is to the restaurant. Were you able to answer this question, Sadia?
Oh yes, Sahib, I got it wrong.
Okay. So no connectivity issues. Let's go next question. Okay. My classroom has 3 doors. Blue, fi fasli thalathu abwabun. Red, fi fasli thalathun abwabun. Orange, fi fasli thalathu abwabin. My classroom has 3 doors. Is fi fasli thalathu abwabin. It is like the rule of off. There's a rule between 3 and 10. So fi fasli thalathu abwabin. Okay, almost everyone got it right. I think you're still not able to answer, Muniba, or did you get it wrong? Okay,
No,
let's
sir, I got it wrong, Sachin uncle.
Okay, cool. You are able to answer. No problem. Let's go next question. Bonus question, double points. Who are those ladies? Or who are those women? Blue, man ha'ula'in nisa'u. Red, man ula'ikan nisa'u. Orange, man hadihin nisa'u. Who are those ladies? Those is for someone far. It's not who are these ladies. These ladies is close. Those ladies will be ulaikan nisa'u. and these ladies will be blue. So if you say man ha'ula'in nisa'u, it will be who are these ladies, but here it's those. So those is ula'ika. The correct answer is man ula'ika nisa'u. Okay, Anil aunty got this right. Looks like Zahan got it wrong. I'm not sure about Sadia Adnan. I think it's only Rahil aunty, Anil aunty who got it right. Next question. Bonus question again, double points. Are they your sisters? Two females. Are they sisters of yours? Blue, ikhwatuki hum. Red, ikhwatuki hunna. Orange, akhawatuki hunna. Are they your sisters? Is akhawatuki hunna. Correct answer is orange. Let me give you one clue which works in a lot of cases. How do you recognize female plural? If I say female Muslims, how do I say female Muslims? Muslimatun. How do I say cars? Many cars. How do we say many cars, Zahan? Many cars is sayaratun. How do I say many teachers? Feminine. How do I say one teacher? Mudarrisatun is one female teacher. How do I say many teachers? Many teachers, feminine. How do I say many feminine teachers are there?
Muddarisatun.
Mudarrisatun is one teacher.
Muddarisatun.
Very good. It becomes mudarrisatun. How do I say Sadia? One female friend is sadiqatun. How do I say many friends feminine?
Sadiqatun.
Sadiqatun. So what's the pattern in all of these?
An extra alif in between.
Correct. So if you see atun or a followed by ta, it could be atun or atin. Atin is the detail. Atun is the normal form. It is the subject form. If you say a followed by ta, it's mostly going to be feminine plural. So here we are looking at sisters. If I look at ikhwatun, this is brothers. But if I look where's atun, it is here. Akhawatun is sisters. Now sisters of yours becomes akhawatuki. I take off the extra dhammam because it is before of. So if you look at atu, it's mostly going to be feminine. And sisters is feminine. So this is one trick. In most cases, how do you recognize feminine plural, Zahan? In most cases, it's going to be atun. If you see atun or alif followed by ta at the ending, in most cases, it's going to be feminine plural. Okay, Rahil aunty and Sadia got it right. So Sadia has learned feminine plural. Next question. Muslims came to my house. Blue, Ja'al Muslimu ila baiti. Red, Ja'al Muslimuna ila baiti. Orange, Ja'u al Muslimuna ila baiti.
What is the difference between blue and red?
So blue is al muslimu, red is al muslimuna. Very good. Almost everyone got it right. So it is Ja'al Muslimuna. Muslims came to my house. Muslims is Muslimuna. Muslimuna is many Muslims. We have 15 minutes to go. Let's use annotation. We could either continue quiz. Okay, it looks like no one has connectivity issues, or we could stop the quiz after this or one more question and we could do story. So which way shall we go? You could put a tick. Okay, we have one. Sadia wants quiz. Adnan wants story. Rahil auntie wants quiz. Adnan is putting many ticks. Okay, looks like everyone wants quiz. So we have 4 people for quiz. Zahan also wants quiz. Okay, so only Adnan wants story. Okay, we'll continue with the quiz. So we'll have to do the quiz, Adnan, because almost everyone seems to want to continue the quiz. Let me clear annotation. Okay, let's continue the quiz. Next question, double points. My female Muslim friends came home. Blue, Ja'at Sadiqati al-Muslimatu ila bayti. Red, Ja'a Sadiqati al-Muslimatu ila al-bayti. Orange, Ja'u Sadiqati al-Muslimatu ila al-bayti. Focus on the first word. So when the verb comes first, this is going to be Ja'at, which is blue. Is it going to be Ja'a, red? Or is it Ja'u, orange?
I think there are 6 people again.
This looks like one person is not able to answer. Very good. 4 people correct. It is Ja'at Sadiqati al-Muslimatu ila al-bayti. Why is it Ja'at? Why is it not Ja'a?
Because it's feminine.
Very good. Very good. So Ja'a is masculine. It's he went. But with female Muslim friends, do you want he went or she went when the verb comes first?
She went.
Correct. So we want she came, which is Ja'at. The verb, the gender has to match. And you have to keep it singular. So with female Muslim friend, we will use Ja'at. Okay, very good. Rahil auntie, Zahan, Sadia, Adnan got it right. Very good. We go next question. Where is Adnan and his friends? Blue, Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uhu. Red, Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uhum. Orange, Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uha. Very good. 3 people got it correct. His friends is asdiqa'uhu. Who is his? So friends of his would be asdiqa'uhu. So how do we say where is Adnan and his friends? Which say Aina Adnanu wa asdiqa'uhu. So correct answer is who, which is blue. Okay, Rahil auntie, Zahan, Sadia, well done. You got it right. Next question. This car is from America. Blue, هذا السيارة من أمريكا. Red, هؤلاء السيارة من أمريكا. Orange, هذه السيارة من أمريكا.
That is okay. I think that somebody is not able to answer.
Correct. Looks like only 5 people are able to answer. This card is from America. Is هذه السيارة. Is سيارة masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. So we would use هذه. هذه is this for feminine. So for this card we would say هذه السيارة. هذه السيارة من أمريكا. Very good again, Rahil Aunty, Sahan, Sadia, Adnan, you got it right. We go next question. Where is your exam? Or when is your exam? So your is female plural. So 2 women. Blue, كم اختباركن? Red, متى اختباركن? Orange, أين اختباركن? How do we say when? Is your question. Okay, now we have 6 answers. How do we say when? When is mata? So when is your exam? Would be mata ikhtibaru kunna. How will we say when is your exam for masculine? So if you have masculine, even one masculine, how will we say when is your exam? Mata ikhtibarukunna is when is your exam to all female.
Kum, Nama. Kum.
Kunna would become kum. So kum is used in general. If you have masculine and feminine, you would use kum. Kunna is all feminine. So mata ikhtibarukum would be when is your exam. Okay, very good. Rahil Aunty, Zahan, Sadia, Anil Aunty, and I guess Muniba also got this right. Let's go next question. My school is close by from the masjid. Blue, madrasati qaribatun minal masjidi. Red, madrasati qaribun ilal masjidi. Orange, madrasati qaribun minal masjidi. Okay, my school is close by. Is school, madrasa masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. So we would say qaribatun, we will not say qaribun. So since madrasati is feminine, when you say it is near, qarib also has to be feminine. So it will be qaribatun. Madrasati qaribatun minal masjidi. Okay, Rahil Aunty, Zahan, Sadia got it right. And looks like Muniba also got it right. No, only the 3 of you got it right. These lessons are easy. Blue, هذه الدروس سهلة. Red, هذه الدروس سهل. These lessons are easy is هذه الدروس سهلة. Why is it سهلة and not سهل?
Non-human plural is feminine, Nama.
Correct. So durus is lessons. Is lessons human or non-human? It is non-human. Lessons is non-human. So we would treat it like she. So if you have to say she is easy, you would say sahlatun. So it would be hatihi durusu sahlatun. Very good. Rahil Aunty, Zahan, Sadia.
Time was up to 5 people. The topic 6 people answer.
Sorry, Zahan.
time was up with 5 people, but how did 6 people answer?
I think everyone's able to answer now. So we see 5 people here, and we see Muniba also, who is 6th. I think she answered and got it right. So we have 6 people in the quiz, and all of them answered. Okay, next question. Double points. Pay attention. What are the names of your children? Blue, ma asma'u awladika. Red, ma asma'u awladi. Orange, ma ismu awladika. Okay, so even yesterday, a lot of people got this wrong. How do we translate what are the names of your children? Who got it right? Okay, Rahil auntie only got it right. How do we translate this? Let us see. You try without seeing. What are the names of your children?
Ma asma'u awladika.
Very good. Ma asma'u awladika. What is this answer, Sadia?
Ma asma'u awladika.
Very good. What is this answer, Zahan?
Ma asma'u awladika.
Very good. Adnan and Muniba, how do we translate this? How do we translate this, Adnan?
Ma asma'u awladika.
Very good. So it's Ma asma'u awladika. And your last, Muniba, how do we say what are names of your children?
Asma awladika.
Very good. Ma asma'u awladika. Be ma asma'u. What are names of your children? Asma'u is names. Ism is one name. Plural of ism is asma. So asma'u is names. So it's going to be ma asma'u awladika. Okay, so only Rahil auntie used the double point question and got it right. Next question, again double points, so pay attention. We went to the market today. Blue, dhahabu ila suqi al-yawma. Red, nadhabu ila suqi al-yawma. Orange, dhahabna ila suqi al-yawma. Green, yadhabuna ila suqi al-yawma. Question is how do we say we went? Past tense. Time's running out, guys. Less than 10 seconds to go. We went to the market today is dhahabna ila suqi al yawma. We went, is it past tense or present tense?
Past tense.
Past tense. Now, how do we say he went? He went as dhahaba.
Zahaba.
How do we say, no question to either Sadia, Zahan, Adnan, Muniba, whoever can get this right. How do we say he goes? He goes to the school every day. He goes to the masjid every day for Salatul Isha. How do we say he goes?
Zahabtu.
Zahabtu is I went. How do we say he goes?
Yazhabu.
Yadhabu. Okay, dhahabtu, when you take dhahaba and change the back of the verb, and this is past tense. So the car has already gone, you change the back of the car. So you change the back of the verb, it becomes past tense. So dhahabtu is modification to dhahaba. Yadhabu is present tense. Now question is, if I have to say we went, should I modify dhahaba or yadhabu?
Zahaba.
Dhahaba, because it is past tense. Dhahaba is past tense. So he went is dhahaba, it's the base form. So if I have to say we went, I would take dhahaba and modify it. Now past tense, the car has already gone. I'm saying the back of the car or the back of the verb. So will I change the front or the back? I change the back. So dhahaba would become dhahabna. Dhahabna is we went. Now question is, how do we say we go? We go, I would take yadhabu, and this is present tense. So the car is coming to you. You have to change the front of the verb. So what will you do to yadhabu? How will you use yadhabu is he goes. How do we say we go? You put the noon at the starting. Nadhabu. How do we say we go, Sadia? How do we say we go? Let's say nadhabu. Nadhabu is we go. With that, let us end the quiz and let's see the
Let's
winners.
finish it.
Yes, so it's
15
time up.
minutes.
So let us see the winners. Sadia is number 3. Rahan is number 2. And Rahil Aunty is number 1. They had 2 mistakes, 18 out of 20 correct. Very good. Adnan is number 4. Anil Aunty is number 5. Muniba also did well. Muniba also started getting a lot of good correct answers at the end. Muniba is number 6. Okay, quick feedback on Kahoot. So if you can give feedback. So did you learn and were you able to revise the previous lessons? This is the first question. So learning outcome, was it met? Do you recommend that we follow this format? How are you feeling? So someone's not feeling good, someone who made few mistakes, and someone's feeling good. Okay, so we have one more response. So game rating is 3.5, 1.5. Okay, someone else is also not feeling very good. Why are you not feeling good? We did not do story today, that's why?
It must be Adnan who's sad.
Adnan wants stories, so we'll do stories for our next week.
Super happy.
Adnan is happy. Adnan is top. Adnan is 4th, so Adnan is still very happy. Someone else is not happy. Okay, so what should we do? What could we do better?
I'm very happy, but 2 places I had some connection issues. So
Okay, so connection issues. Okay, and
This is good, ma.
okay, this is good. 10 more seconds. Any other suggestion? Okay, no suggestions. If you have something you want to tell me, you could message me on WhatsApp. With that, we'll close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Take care. Stay safe. See you all next weekend, inshallah. Ma salama.
Ma salama. Jazakallah khair, ma.
Wa yakum.
I was